Alright, we're going to show you how to evaporate a small volume using nitrogen. This is a nitrogen tank. It says here on off, so you have to turn it on first. Alright, first step is to turn on the nitrogen right here.
Yes.
You should see the dial come up to some number. When it was full, the dial was way over here, so it's almost empty, but it has plenty left. This says pressure, minus and plus. If I turn this to the right, this will come up here. You can see that. And that's increasing the pressure. As I turn it to the left, it should go down, but it can't right now because the flow is off. So I'm going to turn on this knob now, which is flow, and Chandler's going to see whether you can feel the nitrogen coming off.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, I can
Yes.
feel it.
Okay. So what you want is a very gentle stream, but you're going to just, it's going to be wind to evaporate your dichloromethane, which is easy to evaporate. So the pressure should be low, and the flow rate should be low. Okay, so now you take your actual vial. Is it in vial?
Yes.
Yes, you take the lid off, and you're going to, usually you put this in your hand so you can control it. So, give yourself a little slack, and you can take it down. And as you put nitrogen on there, you should see the ripples in the top of the surface, and it should start getting cold.
Yeah.
So, think you need a little more, or is it okay?
I think it's okay for right now. It's getting cold.
Alright. So if you did need more, then you turn up the flow a little bit, but,
Okay,
but
only a little
be
bit.
very careful about doing that. I can see it's getting cold because you have condensation on the outside. So usually you want to warm that with your hand, because the warmer it is, the faster it evaporates.
Oh, okay.
So we can warm that and use
Just
the
like
wind.
grip it.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. And if you move the pipette around a little bit, it usually helps. And hopefully it'll be dry in a couple of minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
When you want to turn it off, the sequence would be this one first, and then we should see the dial start to fall. So the last little bit of nitrogen that's under pressure here is escaping through the past your pipette. And when it reaches zero, then we'll turn off this little guy here. And that's it. Should be ready for the next person to use.